E888T disassembly operation video. First, remove the 4 screws on the base of the machine. Then gently lift and remove the base. We can see the motherboard, various cables, motor and gear on the side. There is a small baffle in the middle, and there are 4 screws around it. We remove the 3 screws on the motherboard firstly, and then unplug all the cables. There is an additional Bluetooth module on the motherboard. T does not have it. Then we remove the motor on the side and remove the 2 fixed screws. The outermost gear is generally not damaged. The common failure is that the lubrication is not enough. We can just apply lubricating oil. If the gear breaks, it needs to be replaced, and the probability is very small. Then we remove the baffle of the lower detection sensor. The detection sensor is fixed with a plastic part. We can remove it by prying it with a flathead screwdriver. And then take the detection sensor cable out of the hole reserved on the side of the machine. We use a small flathead screwdriver to pry. The snap fit structure on both sides of the rubber roller. And then it can be removed smoothly. Finally, the disassembly of the whole machine is completed.